G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mazda CX-5 Akera, stock reference number 5835. This shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, front bar cover, left fog light, left headlight, left front factory alloy 19-inch alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have a left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.